In the grab, the guy has to back up because he can't turn around on this road here because it's so narrow. It's so narrow, so you gotta turn around. I mean, you gotta back up. You gotta back up for us.
Tới rồi khỏi nhắm đi. Họ đi bộ xuống tỉnh liền luôn á. Đeo qua đây.
It's lưng chừng coffee. No, okay, we're good. Em, Vâng. Em chụp con em kìa. Lưng chừng. Wow, this is really nice, man. Out in the wood on a rainy day, out in the wood. There's a coffee shop way down that way. Down there, there's a coffee shop, 150 meters, and it's sprinkling right now. You got some banana tree right here. Anyone want bananas right here on the side of the road here? Road to nowhere. Lưng chừng. The road to nowhere. We're gonna go down there that way. This is really awesome. Where can you find a place like this in the US? You know, a coffee shop in the woods. Yeah, only in Dalat. Yeah, this is so peace and quiet. There's nobody here. Another 100 meters. Oh man, too bad there's a lot of trash, but there's a lot of lumbers here. A bunch of lumbers, banana tree. People hanging up their laundry. See that? People hanging up the laundry on a rainy day. And I keep going another maybe 50 meters. Oh, these tables here. Look at this. This is somebody's house. I can hear their voice, their voices. I want to keep my voice down. They're eating dinner, lunch. They're eating lunch. All right, what is this? Looks like it's water or sewer. I'm not sure right here. Don't know if it's water or sewer. Well, that's the water. That's a water meter. That's a meter. Water meter. This is probably drainage. Oh yeah, there's a sink. That's a sink right there. So this is sewer. Sewer to nowhere. To these pits right here. I don't know what it is. It's strawberry farm. 300 meters. There's a strawberry farm. And it's a restaurant. It's a hot pot. So, phía chân đồi. I mean, at the foot, it means at the foot of the hill, okay? Down there. You see the one in the raincoat? Way down there? I'm falling behind those people in the raincoat down there. There's two in the raincoat. Man, how is anybody able to get up the hill on a bike? You have to walk. I don't think you get up. You can use you can get up here with a moped. But apparently, I think they can do it. The local can do it. I don't think I can do it. I probably have to park my bike up there and then walk down, because I would not dare to go up here using my moped. You know, that's crazy. Okay, it said please keep going that way, okay? Keep going that way. We're not done yet. Abandoned car. Look at this. Classic. That's a Datsun? I don't know, Suzuki or Datsun, I'm not sure. And the road to nowhere in this pine forest. Look at all these pine trees everywhere. You know, I noticed that the trees are like leaning toward the sun. In some area, the trees were leaning, or the trees are leaning, and they're all leaning in the same direction. And I believe it's leaning toward the sun. So it's amazing how they all do that. Okay, you're gonna experience something spectacular. This guy's going up the hill on a moped. That's amazing. Getting up that hill, man. There's another one here. Get up the hill. Wow. Wow, I can't do that. These guys are brave. Okay, that's the hot pot restaurant right there. Hot pot. And this one here is the coffee shop. Oh, that one is strawberry field. And this one is the coffee shop. Keep going. And just follow the sign right there. Oh, you gotta get away from this guy. Wow, it's amazing, man. Whoa. You guys are amazing. There's one more coming. Wow. I think they're able to do that. And this is the restaurant, the hot pot restaurant here, all the way down the hill. Keep going. These are the local, they know the spot. I mean, Saigonese probably won't know this place. Only the locals know this place. Another one braving the road. Another one. Okay, so that's Lunken. And we're not parking. This is a parking. We're going down this way to the coffee shop. This way. Yeah, they'll bring you up for a price. You know, if service, this kind of service, they'll bring you up there for a price. So this is the strawberry farm. This is the way to the strawberry farm down here. It's right next to the coffee shop. This is we're gonna be sitting for coffee. This is great, man. And then down there is a strawberry farm. These are strawberry farm. These are strawberry farms or greenhouse. I think my relatives are down there. My wife's is probably down there. I'm gonna be staying in the sun. Today it's no rain, so it's good. We get some sprinkles, but other than that, we don't need to wear a raincoat. So even though we brought the raincoat, we got some sun. Mud pit. I see some mud pit here. Where is it? Right there. And I'm gonna go down there and check it out. So, a little dog here. Hello. Make sure you feed him. Okay, he'll be good to you. Okay, that's the tip of the day. Make sure you feed dogs. Not feeding on dogs, just feed the dog. There's another one. There's a couple more. Whoa, that's him. This is Peter's dog. Or, I don't know, maybe part of it, I don't know, Peter's dog's breed? No, not Peter's dog's breed, it's different, but close enough. Or actually, what I meant was the breed similar to Peter, my friend Peter's, Peter Lee, but it's not. It's probably different. What I know, I'm not an expert in dogs. Okay, we're here at Lung Cheng. Okay, Lung Cheng. Go inside, find out. Ở đây đóng cửa mấy giờ em? 6 rưỡi. Sao ngày nào cũng mở hả? 6 rưỡi hả? Dạ.
là sáng thì 7 giờ mở, còn tối 6 rưỡi đóng.
They close at 6:30. So I guess at 6:30 is when the sun comes down or sunset. So they're closing at sunset. Okay. And you get a view of the trees. They're sitting over here. You get this view right here. You know, I'm drinking coffee, getting this view. Okay, I'm gonna go inside. So they're inside. Actually, let me go down here and check out the area. Okay, the strawberry. Oh, should I come down there, man? Should I go down there? This is the way into the strawberry field. Should I go down there? I gotta walk back up, so I don't know. I think I'm not gonna go down. Yeah, underneath the platform right here, underneath the deck. Something about music in the woods. Music in the woods. Okay, let's go inside, okay? There. Whoa. I've heard about this before. Yeah, Lincoln. Yeah, I've watched a video about this before. This one feature like different area of the coffee shop. How do you go down? Okay, we're going down. Đi đâu vậy? Đi quán ngồi không, trong quán ngồi.
Cái khoan chạy ra chị cái liệu con cái liệu không?
This one feature in this coffee shop feature in FKS deliciousness. I think I remember seeing this video of FKN deliciousness. I think, I'm not sure. Yeah, I've seen the video.
Ở đấy đầu xuống giùm chị.
Nó chắn thôi. Yeah, lên đi. Đừng té đó. We're going upstairs to get some privacy. It's a loft. I don't know if we can take my shoes out. Oh, shoes right here. Yeah, put the shoes here, man. You can't. Wait. It's a loft. It's great for couples. Yeah, look at this old. Oh, like really ancient sewing machine. Yeah, this one, you pedal here. You pedal to spin the wheel. You pedal to move the needle. Okay. Oh, I've seen this before, but yeah, my mom used to have them. Well, I don't know. It probably still work. So, paddle. Spin the wheel. It's old technology. Sewing machine. It's a seamstress.
Trà xếp mũi tắt.
Nên là
Hibiscus xoài, trà xếp mũi tắt. Hibiscus xoài. It's like Oreo.
a cooking cream.
That's how you blended.
Blended.
Blended cookies and cream.
Uống
Ý là uống thử đi.
That's what you eat.
This is mine.
Yeah.
It's like a milkshake. It's like blended ice.
Xây qua.
Cái này đóng cửa 6 giờ rưỡi.
Sớm như vậy đó hả?
Yeah, 6 rưỡi đóng cửa. Uống này cần. And tell me what take. Okay, so that's she ordered on purpose because of the cookie and cream. She ordered that for you.
Literally
on purpose.
cookies and cream.
Yeah.
No, I picked it
Kêu là
out.
dâu
You
phải
picked it out?
Yeah.
Oh, cookie and cream.
Literally cookies and cream.
cái trên là điểm xoài.
Cookies and cream. There's nothing wrong.
Okay, make sure to pet this dog. It's and to pet him.
Đừng có đụng cái đuôi nó nha. Đụng cái đuôi nó. Yeah.
Pet him, feed him, and pet him. This is the loft, and he's able to get up here. And we got this is the view here. This is the view, and you see the people down there drinking coffee. People down there drinking coffee.
Đi ra ngoài nha, ra ngoài nha, đi ra đây nè, đi ra đây cho uống này, ra đây.
Ông
Ra
hiểu
đây cho
không?
cô uống, ra đây cho cô uống.
Nó không hiểu nữa.
Coi chuyện nó lúc có miệng.
Không có bán. Nothing wrong.
Giống người ta, giống như thích vậy ha. Như thích vậy giờ.
Không muốn ăn con đừng ấy con cái là nó chầm nó nha, đừng nó liếm là hết uống luôn nha.
Cái quan nó dụ lắm.
Hey, wait,
It
hang on.
smells bad though.
Just put it over here, yeah.
He
So you,
smells bad.
I know. Wrap up the day, I think, on a high note. You know, coffee here is great. In the jungle of Dalat, and strawberry field. That's the strawberry greenhouse. That's a greenhouse there. So I didn't go down because I have to. If you go down, you gotta walk back up. I don't want to do that, so I'm fine here. So make sure you don't hit your head. The ceiling is kind of low. The ceiling is kind of low, so make sure you don't hit your head. Right here. It's not too high, so I'm sitting down. All right, look at me. I gotta watch my head. Look at this. From the squatting position to standing position. Yeah. What is the password? All right. Okay. Hang on. I gotta do this challenge. Having the ceiling on my head. Challenge. And squatting position. But look at this structure. Beautiful. Look at that. Oh, yeah. I gotta watch my head. I gotta really watch my head. Oh, that's right. Something like that, man. So leaving the drinks here. They didn't even finish the drink. It's a lot of waste. Look at that. A lot of drinks unfinished. A lot of waste. There's some books. If you're reading, there's some books here. And if you want to watch the view and hang out here, if you want to watch the view. Say cheese, say cheese. You can see his photo.
Oh,
Say
look,
cheese.
he's running away.
Say cheese.
He looks mad at me for some reason.
I don't know. He likes me.
He likes you.
Yeah. Then I just pet him and say
Meow. Meow.
See, you gotta be good. You gotta be good to them, and they'll
They'll like you back. Do not chase them. Let me promise.
they'll follow you. You gotta be good to them.
It's so cute.
Don't. Hey, what you doing, man? Don't make fun of me. That's what he said. In Hong Kong, we went to a cafe like 1 hour, and I forgot how much they charged us. It's
Like 90.
90 Hong Kong dollars.
Yeah. Like 80.
That's
Yeah, about like 60.
60 for 2 people.
For one person.
1 person. So that's that's 120 Hong Kong dollars. You pay, and then you go in and you get a bunch of cats in there.
Look at how smug he looks.
And then this one, you don't have to pay, and it come to you. They have the cat just come to you.
He just came.
Here.
He just came to my
In this
dad.
Lungcheng Cafe. It's called
Lungcheng.
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 Lungcheng. Coffee or Cafe in Dalat.
I swear I'm not putting
So
his
if you're in
eye.
Dalat, come here to Lungcheng. You see the cat. You meet the cat. I don't know if you're gonna see this cat, but chances are you will. And then come to this is loft. Go up to the loft, and they'll come to you.
I mean, you don't have to go up to the loft. Just find
There's
them.
3 dogs and a cat. So
No, a bunch of dogs. Just me. There's
3.
like
There are about 3 dogs and 1
three
cat.
only. There's like
Yeah.
10.
My lab.
There's like 10 dogs. Trust me. There's like 10 of them.
Got a great view of the jungle, the pine trees, and strawberry field up here. They got this loft where you can rest, relax, read a book.
The cat's sleeping.
There's a bookshelf right there. If you know how to sew, there's a sewing machine right there. Oh, here's something.
Well, I just showed it. I just showed it to Jean. She said that she was scared of cats.
Right?
Yeah.
Nothing to be scared of. See this one, how tame this one is? It's on my lap.
It's just mad.
See? It's fine. I think you trust me this one.
He's looking at me.
Because I'm a good guy.
Why does his eyes get more widened when he looks at me?
These are the old French style windows and they use it for siding. And there's some more up there. Instead of throwing away, they're recycling them. See that? Let me get up this ladder here. Take this ladder, get up and show you up here. If I can get up here, hang on a second. Okay, hang on. Hang on. Okay, so this. From up here, there's a dog, some customers, and see that sewing machine that we were in there? We were in the loft, right? That's the old sewing machine. Okay, so these, look at all these windows, French style windows. It's supposed to be trash, but they recycle them, they turn them into sidings. Yeah. Instead of throwing them away, they turn it into sidings. Oh, it's raining. We gotta go. We're gonna be out of here in about an hour, and it's raining. You got some stuff over here. Some discards. Got a bunch of discards. Oh, they logged this. They cut this tree down. They cut this pine tree down. We got a bunch of other pine trees. Look how tall. Look how tall they are. How tall these pine trees are. It's raining. Down the ladders. Okay, well, you gotta be careful. You don't want to trip. And you end up in this level. You hear the rap there? See that right there?
You're gonna get run over.
That's the waistline.
You might get run over. Move out of the way.
You gotta move out of the way because there's a bike coming up.
Yeah, exactly.
I can hear it.
We both hear it.
They broke the wall, smashed that wall, both sides, that side and this side. Those guys, there were guys working in here earlier, and they brought some lumbers inside. Okay, I hear a bike coming up. There's a bike service. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Wow. All right, and my daughter's running. My daughter's running. She made it. You made it. You made it. Finally. See, the wall's not straight. Look at that. It's not even straight. It's kind of crooked. It's kind of crooked wall. Oh, look at this one. See how this one is? They cut this and it fell. hitting the wall and smashed the wall here too. See that? Smashed the wall, broke the wall. Destroyed this wall over here. Is that an accident? I don't know. But they can't help it. They have to cut it because they have these wires here. See all these wires? So they have to cut it. Two guys working down there. Yeah. What street is this? I have no idea where this is. Oh, yeah, 3 tháng 4. Okay, 4th July. Not 4th July. April 3rd. It's April 3rd Street. We're on April 3rd Street. There's a hostel there too. Sleep box. Horizon Coffee Sleep box hostel on April 3rd. Okay. Stop. I lose balance. Can't stop. Oh, this is where you keep the bike if you want to keep the bike here. Oh, there's a bathroom here for 5,000 Vietnamese dong to do a number 1, number 2. If you need number 1, number 2, you pay 5,000 Vietnamese ding dong. Okay, right there. 5,000 Vietnamese ding dong to do number 1, number 2. Right here. You said. I mean, wait. Hang on.
Specifically 5,000 ding dong.
5,000 right there. See that?
Specifically 5,000 ding dong. But if you want to pay in 5,000 USD, and that's
Ding dong
up to you.
Yeah, it's going down there. See? Oh my God, it's like a roller coaster. It's like a roller coaster. I don't know. We're here at this Lung Cheng coffee shop. Lung Cheng. Okay, and then there's something interesting I want to show. It's a water meter. You gotta come in, go down here, and here you have a water meter. This water meter is spinning. Multi-mag. Water meter serving this house, I guess. This one is serving this house. Right here. And this is the 3/4 inch line from the road. It teed off. There's another. It teed off to this line, this meter. It teed off to this meter. Teed off, and there's another service here. I think there's another one down below. So that's look like an inch, 1 inch, and then pushed down to 3/4 inch, teed off to the 3/4 inch line to this service. Those of you cross connection guy, okay, there's some cross connection topic here for you. Okay, or if you work for the water department, this is the DWP topic in Dalat. And serving this house right here. Serving this house. If you keep going, there's more houses. Actually, there's more houses out down this way. Yeah, it looks like. Whoa! Woo! Wow! Look at that. Made it. She made it. This tree fell in the middle of the night or something, like high wind, and then smashed this house. You see that? See that? It's in line with this, right? So this tree smashed this house and destroyed this part of the house. And so they hired these guys to come over and cut the tree, cut it here and cut them here, and remove the log. And so they're here to fix the house. See how it destroyed the wall of this house? It destroyed this portion of the house. I guess this was happening recently due to high wind. She's braving the hill to get down there. You're never gonna hear this in the news. You're never gonna hear this in the news. I guess this happened often in this area. Landslide, a tree falling. Hopefully it didn't kill anybody, but it did destroy this portion of the house here. So they're rebuilding. Whoa, she made it. They're off. He's picking another passenger. And they brought up 2 so far. 2. Now he's coming down to pick another person. Or pick up another person, my niece.